This is the Yamaha SCARA robot and integrated robot vision IV system. Yamaha offers the widest range of SCARA robots in the industry. Yamaha SCARA employs direct coupling drive mechanism on both vertical and rotary axes. Unlike a conventional belt-driven mechanism, Yamaha's direct drive mechanism reduces wasted motion while maintaining high precision over a long period of time. Since there is no belt to replace, Yamaha's direct drive SCARA is basically maintenance-free for a longer period of time. Long life grease is used for Yamaha's compact and medium-sized SCARA robot. Since there is no need for lubrication, no disassembly of gear mechanism or precision readjustment are needed. The gear reducer of all Yamaha SCARA robots are positioned at the top of the rotary axis. This design allows moment load capacity on the rotary axis. As a result, Yamaha SCARA robots achieve higher speed, accuracy, payload capacity, and overhang capability than other belt-driven SCARAs. Like other Yamaha robot lines, SCARA employs a durable resolver for position detection. Unlike conventional optical encoders, the resolver has a simple structure without electronic or optical components. The resolver has a higher resistance to physical impact or harsh environments than an optical encoder system. This is the Yamaha Integrated Vision IV system. Parts registration can be done in an easy 3-step process. Step 1. Retrieve the parts picture to designate the area and set the perimeter. Step 2. From the picture, select the area inside the silhouette. Step 3. Designate the position to detect the part and register. Up to 40 parts can be registered. When a third-party vision system is used, the format of the coordinates data of a robot and vision are different. Therefore, a coordinate conversion program needs to be created in the robot program. With an IV system, this process can be completely eliminated. Both camera and light are controlled in the robot program. With an IV system, complicated and time-consuming calibration work can be done smoothly by following Q&A style commands inside the programming box. In an IV system, the controller automatically converts calibration data without adjusting the camera mount. These are just a few of the features Yamaha SCARA and IV systems can offer. Yamaha representatives will be happy to answer any questions on your application.